went to Crystal Divers because then we gave the money after the barbecue, and we helped them make a structure.
Yeah, so I learned how to weld structures, so metal and really hot, and with one of those weird masks on your face.
Yeah.
It was actually really cool to be able to learn that, and so we were cutting metal and attaching metal to each other. We made a structure in the shape of a seahorse.
Yeah.
It was really, really cool. Yeah.
Yeah, we really enjoyed it. Then it suddenly really started pouring, and we escaped to Coconut Monkey.
Yeah, because of the rain, of course, we couldn't work anymore, and we had a really nice lunch with all the people that helped us. So with the 5 of us, we just chilled at Coconut Monkey and had a really nice lunch, played some games.
Yeah.
It was really nice.
And then we had to go back through the pouring rain, and we just had a movie afternoon.
Yeah, so we ordered pizza and had a nice movie afternoon because, you know, the weather's not nice for the first time in a very long time, actually.
And tomorrow you're doing a scuba review?
Yeah.